Hello and welcome to another one of my silly videos. This time I'm going to show you a little simple scroll system I made, which works in Stepmania. What it does is it means you can make your own little simple scroll systems by just adjusting a little bit of values. I show here, this is the metrics that you need. It doesn't contain a lot. I just disabled the choice names because they're still using the titles to the screen title menu. I could set it as a screen with the menu elements, but then I have to add some extra code to disable the user and stuff. But this just works for now. What it does is it disables the scroller and let me use my own, which is pretty easy to add. You just like this is screen title menu overlay.lua. It has a dev active frame which then centers itself, so it centers the scroller in this case, and then it calls sim scroll, which is a simple scroller which has values you can change. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So you got the back key press, which means when you press the back key, what it does. In this code, we do the screen title menu. Then you got the background size, which is the thing that's blinking, which is the Y size, so from top to bottom. Then you got the X size, which is from the left to right. Then you got the blink duration, which is how long the blink takes. I put it on 1, which is default. Then you can make your own button. So for example, if I just take edit, for example, and I put it under it and I save it, and I go to this screen and then I go back, it had another edit. The offset isn't right because you have to do some calculations, but it means you can add buttons really easily. Let's put it back to the way we want it. I'll go to edit and go back. The way it works is you first got the button name, so you put the name of the button. I got empty space because I want empty space, so it's just an empty button. Then you got options, edit, which is the second one, and you got options, which is the third one, which is really easy to code because what you just do is the button name, then you get the command. The command is in this case apply default options, and then screen single, the style single, then screen select music, which is just a default of my barebone theme, which I copy from that. Then there is the Y offset. The Y offset is the offset from how high to how low the button goes. Then you got H align. The H align is you can change the alignment of every single button, so I can make this one go left, make this one go left, make that one go left. I got them all on center in this case. Then you got the text active color, which means the color of the text is active. Then you got the text inactive color, which means the text how it looks if it's inactive. In this case they're both 00. Then you got the text active background 1 and text active background 2, which is the scroller in this case. And that's it. I put a few examples in it. Next up, let's look at the code. It's not big code. It's pretty much a small code. What it does is it just creates all the text. It just puts them all down, and then I use a scroll input or add input callback. I made some controls which just acts what you do. So if you press menu down, it goes down. If you press menu up, it goes up. If you press start, it just does the apply game command. I know some people dislike apply game command, but hey, it works. So you can do the same as normal screen, which is pretty handy. So I can make my own scroller and make it really easily. So you can use this on any screen. You can seriously make another screen and have different scroller stuff on it, and just have a simple scroller. Anyways, that's it for now. No, wait, I'm just going to show you some cool shit. So let's say I do this one FF0000 and we give it the name. We go game start, give it a name, and this one edit and options. Yeah, we make this one active, we make it red, and then inactive we make it non-red, and then we make the scroller red. No, we need to make another color as you can see it. Make the scroller blue, and when it's inactive it's just yeah, let's make it also blue but invisible so it doesn't change. And then the last one, let's make it 0000FF and 00FF00. And then we'll leave that one like that. Now I'm going to save this. I'll go to the screen and go back. As you can see, it changes based on you can make the whole screen. You can make it as silly as you want. You can have buttons whatever color you want. Like now it's active, now it's blue. This one's active, now it's red. If it's inactive, it's green. They're both green, blue, red. You can even change the background thing to change color on which one it's selected. You can do pretty cool stuff with this, and it's kind of what I wanted. I wanted a simple scroll system I can change colors with and do whatever I want. Anyways, this is for now. See ya.